This cold case radiator's aluminum performance radiator is a high-quality cooling upgrade designed for the 1999 to 2012 Silverado 1500s with the oil cooler. This is going to be a great option for Silverado owners looking to enhance engine cooling efficiency and reliability. Whether you're running a high-performance setup, towing heavy loads, or just want improved heat dissipation for daily driving, this radiator provides superior cooling compared to the stock unit, helping maintain ideal operating temperatures even under demanding conditions. This performance radiator is built to significantly improve cooling efficiency over that stock unit, thanks to its 100% aluminum construction and high-density dual core. The 1-inch tubes provide a greater surface area for heat dissipation, allowing for more efficient cooling and reduced engine temperatures, especially under heavy loads or high-performance driving. Unlike those factory radiators that can have plastic end tanks that can become brittle over time and cause cracks and leaking, this cold case radiator features fully TIG-welded aluminum tanks for long-lasting durability and improved resistance to those leaking and cracks. The design also promotes faster heat dissipation, helping to prevent overheating and ensuring consistent performance. Also, it features these OEM-style fittings for a direct fit, eliminating the need for any modifications during that install process. Constructed entirely from lightweight aluminum, this radiator offers superior heat dissipation and durability compared to those traditional plastic models. The TIG-welded seams ensure a leak-free, long-lasting build, while the polished aluminum finish adds a nice little sleek, high-performance look under the hood. Now, as far as pricing goes on this unit, it's going to come in right in that mid-$400 price range, which is a reasonable price point for a high-quality aluminum part that performs way better than that stock unit. This is going to be a direct fit replacement radiator, and it's going to be designed for simple installation. But this is going to be rated a soft 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, but you can get that job done in just about 2 hours of your time. That higher wrench rating is mostly because you have to get into the front of that engine bay and remove the fan in order to replace the radiator. This is going to utilize factory OEM style mounting points and the fittings, so once you get into the process, it should go relatively smooth. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the cold case radiator's aluminum performance radiator for the 1999 to 2012 Silverado 1500s with the oil cooler. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.